video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to memorize your electrochemical series so as to solve questions on electrochemistry in your JAMB exam. You know, there are actually three conditions that determine which particular ion will get discharged, either the cathode or the anode in electrochemistry, right? You know, there are three conditions. The first condition is the position of the ion on the electrochemical series, the nature of the electrode used, and also the concentration of the ion in the solution, right? So in your JAMB exam, they are not going to give you like the positions of the elements or the ions on the electrochemical series. So you need to memorize the electrochemical series. So a lot of people have been asking me to make this video, but here I am now making the video so as to like fulfill all your questions and all. So we have the positive electrochemical series and the negative electrochemical series. The negative electrochemical series is the easiest one to memorize. That is the easiest one to memorize. So we'll do that one last, while we'll do the electropositive series. Now, you know, the electropositive series is a bit difficult, but it's not difficult, sir. So I have a mnemonics for you guys to memorize it, right? And that mnemonic is: popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country, Mr. Samuel Garden. It's as simple as that. Popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country, Mr. Samuel Garden. That is it. It's very simple, right? And so let me tell you guys, this particular mnemonics, I stole it from a friend because I have mine also. But mine is a bit somehow. I don't know if I should share it with you guys, but I'm still going to share it with you guys. Some people might find my own easier, but my own it sounds somehow to me. But frankly, that was what I used for my own JAMB exam. So now for the mnemonics: popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country, Mr. Samuel Garden. Popular for potassium, scientist for sodium, can for calcium, make for magnesium, A for aluminium, zoo for zinc, IN or in for iron, D for tin, low for lead, humid for hydrogen, country for copper, right? Mr. for mercury, Samuel for silver, and garden for gold. You know, now it goes this way: sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, and gold. So you can just use this simple mnemonics to always remember. Popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country, Mr. Samuel Garden. So that is the mnemonic I stole from my friend. So for those that are waiting for me to tell you guys my own personal mnemonic, let me tell you guys should not laugh because this thing is funny. I don't know how to even say it. So this is just it, because me, I didn't use the letter of I didn't use the first letter of the element, right? No, I actually used the symbol. Yes, because I felt like that's the best way I can remember. So it's somehow weird. The pronunciation, everything is somehow weird, sure. So it is Kinaka MGAL Zinfe SNPB hydrogen kum HGAG That's all. You see how simple it is? You see, let me tell you guys. Let me tell you guys again. Kinaka MGAL Zinfe SNPB hydrogen kum HGAG. You can see that's my way. You can see that one is even flowing because that's the one I've always known, right? I love it a lot. It sounds weird, but that's just it. Kinaka, you see, Ki means potassium ion, that's K plus, Na plus, that's sodium. Kinaka Ca2 plus, Kinaka MgAl. You understand now? Kinaka MgAl Zinfe SNPB hydrogen Ku HgAgPtAu. So I'm going to be dropping a picture here so you can be following. So you are going to decide which one to choose. If you are going to use the mnemonic I stole from my friend, or my own personal mnemonic that sounds really weird. You understand? So that is it, right? So now for the second one, that's for the electronegative series, right? That one is very, very simple. That one is just I bought chlorine number so far. I bought chlorine number so far. If you can remember that, that's it. It's very simple. I bought chlorine number so far. OH minus now, that's hydrogen. I for I minus now, that's iodide. I bought B for bromine, Br, and I bought chlorine number NO3 minus, number so far SO for 2 minus, F minus. You understand now? And I believe you know how these particular ions can get discharged, right? The least reactive ones will get discharged first before the more reactive ones. So for the electrochemical, for the positive electrochemical series, right, you should know that the ones that are down, the ones that are below in the electrochemical series are supposed to get discharged first, like all those silver, gold, then copper, all those ones that are below. Not to talk about those ones that are on top, like all those kinaka, all those potassium, sodium, and calcium. You know now. So the ones that are below, the ones that are at the extreme, we get discharged first, right? So for the electronegative series, you know that fluorine is more electronegative than hydroxyl. Now you know that the terminals we have OH minus at the top for my own. OH minus at the top and fluorine at the extreme. That's fluoride ion at the extreme, right? So we have OI but chlorine number so far. So for that particular one, hydroxyl ion is the least reactive. Is the least reactive. So it is the one that has more tendency of getting discharged easily, right, from the electrochemical series. So I believe you guys have learned from this video. I believe you can now you have now memorized the electrochemical series, right? So for the positive electrochemical series, you can see popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country, Mr. Samuel Garden. I'm going to drop it in the description as well. And for the negative electronegative series, for the negative electrochemical series, we have OI but chlorine number so far. Or for the positive series, if you want to use my own, Kinaka MgAl, Zinfe, SNPB, hydrogen co, HgAg, PT, AU. So that is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you are part of those people that are saying that my own is very funny, I'll catch you in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe. That's the best way to support this YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.